Brian Fellow.
You do that talking, I'm buying Jello.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
You better shut up.
You better shut up.
Stop it.
Stop it.
That sounds crazy.
That
Who are you?
sounds great.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm Brian Fellow.
I'm Don Choa.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
I'm Brian Fellow.
No, you're not.
Really?
Yeah?
No, you're not.
Okay, Grant.
He's starting to make me mad.
You're starting to make me mad.
He better shut up.